To be honest with you guys, this job was a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. When he told me on the phone it's a trash can full of rocks, like literally 600 pounds, the guys couldn't even move it for the trash pickup. I was like, okay, yeah. And I'm thinking in my mind, okay, it's a trash can, it's gonna be less than 2 cubic yards, so we'll do like a minimum pickup, and then I'll tack in like an extra 15 minutes of time. So I did a minimum pickup plus 15 minutes of time, not really processing the idea that it's like 600 pounds. That's no problem. Here you go.
Hey, like, why is she taking a picture of my car?
I know why, yeah. Do you have, do you know, like, right off the top of your head what you need?
Well, my girlfriend needs her dryer removed.
Okay. Okay.
What would you charge for something like that?
Dryer would fall under our minimum, which is 99, depending on where she is or if she has, like, stairs or whatnot, but it's about that price.
Okay. All right. Thank
All right.
you.
You're welcome.
Volume. Yeah.
Unless it's like a storage unit that's just full of like miscellaneous, then we might incur a little bit more of a time charge because it
Okay.
takes longer.
Okay.
But yeah, we work at the law facility, so if anytime you have somebody who just decides, hey, I don't want to take all my stuff with me, or if they try to use your dumpster, which I know you don't want.
Yeah.
It happens all the time. No.
Yes, yeah.
So even if they ask, if they're like, hey, it's okay if we use our dumpster, we have a couple things, you can say no, but here's a company that will pick it up.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, people do for sure.
And then even if they're like downsizing within the facility or transferring units, we can help with all that.
All right, cool. All right, thank you very much.
Nice to meet
Thank
you.
you very
Scott,
much.
Savannah.
Scott and Savannah.
Savannah.
Scott and
Chris
Savannah.
and Tanya.
Yeah. All right, thank you
Thank
guys.
you guys.
Thank you.